In Python, an array is used to represent a group of similar data values. It is similar to list except that the list contains multiple elements or multiple dissimilar data values. In Python, array is not a built-in data type. So an array module should be imported to use an array in a program. If you want to use array in a particular program, then you should use array module. For that purpose, you need to import that array module by the keyword of, with the help of keyword import. So to declare an array, use the array function. This function takes two arguments. First specifies type code and the second argument specifies the elements of the code. What are the particular elements of the code? Okay, and individual elements can be accessed with the help of this particular square bracket. Like in this example, I have declared an array by first of all just import array module. About modules we will discuss further in further sessions. Then simply to print this, just specifies the type code, that is array, and second is elements of array. So in this, elements of array are present in A1. That's why I am here presenting passing A1. And the last statement denotes if you want to access a particular element of array, this will result in first element, that is at 0 index. Okay, so next, in Python we have a concept of sequences. Python programming supports sequences to store multiple values to improve the efficiency of the organization. So in Python you can say it sequences, data structures, data types, collection, anything. So basically data structures are used to store a collection of related data. We have four types of data structures, sequences or data types. Like first one is your list, second one is your tuple, third one is your dictionary, and fourth one is your set. Okay, so next is, see here, from now you will have to learn these four types: list, tuple, dictionary and set. These all are used to store values or collection of related data, but all they have different properties. First of all, list. What is list? It is a collection which is ordered and changeable. That means list will come in a ordered format and you can change elements of the list. It allows duplicate members also. Okay, next is your tuple. Tuple is also an ordered but unchangeable. That means you can't change the elements of a tuple. It allows duplicate members also. Next is your set. So set is a collection which is unordered. See, in previous session I have give you examples of all these, like in set, duplicate values not allowed and elements are not indexed or unordered. No order follows in set collection. Next is your dictionary. So what is dictionary? Dictionary is a collection which is unordered. Again it is unordered. Changeable, that means you can change the values of dictionary. Index, proper indexing use hota hai. Then no duplicate members. So list and tuples are some similar and set and dictionary are some similar. Okay, so next by this simple diagram I just show the basic features of list, tuple, dictionary and set. So you need to take care of all of these and you should remember about these main points so that you can work easily in Python data structures. Okay, so list. What is list? It is general purpose, most widely used data structure, grow and shrink size as needed, sequence type and sortable. Okay, next is tuple. Tuples are immutable. See, two terms, that is mutable and immutable, is used. Mutable are those that can be changed and immutable are those that can't be changed or add or update. It is useful for fixed data, faster than list, sequence type. Set, it is used to store known duplicate items, very fast access versus list. All set operations like union, intersection follows here, use here, and it is unordered. No order is followed in set. Next is your dictionary. It follows the concept of key and value pairs. It is just like an associative array like Java hash map, and it is also unordered. So these are some main points about the data structures used in Python, and you should remember all these main points so that you can work correctly in these concepts. So